Shalom!
Shalom!
Shalom. Today we are going to learn a dance called Up and Over. It is one continuous string of steps that we do consistently throughout the music. We will be learning 3 new steps: the Up and Over step, a step which is called the David, and a step based on the Mayim or grapevine, but this one is called the Open Mayim. Today we're going to learn 2 steps. The first is called Up and Over. Starting with your right foot, you're going to stop right. You're going to step left into the center, pivot over your right shoulder. Your right foot's going to step back. Your left foot's going to step in place. Again, from the front, your right foot steps in, your left foot steps in. You pivot over your right shoulder. Your right foot steps back. Your left foot steps in place. Okay, from here we're going to do the same thing going out of the circle. Right foot steps out, left foot steps out, pivot over the right shoulder, right foot steps back, left foot in place. Again, with your back, stepping out of the circle. Right foot steps front, left foot steps front, pivot over the right shoulder, right foot steps back, left foot in place. Okay, we're just going to do that a few times in a row. Coming in, we'll be turning around, and then we'll be going out. Stepping right front, left front, right back, left place. Right front, left front, pivot back and place. Right front, left front, and back and place. Right front, left front, back and place. Okay, we're going to add the arms. The arms will come down and up over your head. Your wrists are crossed. Your arms open and come down, and that will take 4 counts. Again, the arms come wrist crossed, up over the head, and down. Slowly, we're going to add that to the footwork. And right in, left in, turn, right, back, left, front. Right, out, left, and back, and again. And right, left, step back, right, step, front, and right, and back and front. The other step we're going to learn today is, some places it's called a David, and it actually has the same basic form as the palm to palm that we learned last time, but the arms are going to come in and out at the same time. So as you're stepping to the right, your arms reach out a little bit, and as you step together with your left, your arms come together. And step out and in, and out and in. This step does not turn around. This dance also contains a variation of the Mayim step, which is called the Open Mayim. So rather than starting by crossing over, you start by stepping out. So ordinarily, the Mayim step to the right would start with your left foot crossing over, but in the Open Mayim, it starts with the right foot stepping out. Then the steps will follow as they do in the Mayim. So step out with your right. Now you're going to cross over with your left, step out with your right, and cross behind with your left. Open Mayim, step out with the right, cross over with the left, step out with the right, cross behind with the left. One more time, right to the side, cross front, right to the side, cross back. Walking through the entire sequence of the dance, we start with the up and over step going into the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, we're going to do 1 cherkazia. Forward and back. We're going to do the up and over going out of the circle, and 1 cherkazia in place. Forward and back. We're going to do 1 grapevine moving to the left, cross over and behind. Here are the 2 Davids. Step together, step together. Here's your Open Mayim. Out to the right, over with the left, out to the right, left behind, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a cherkazia. Again from the beginning. Up and over into the center. 1, 2, 3. Here's your cherkazia. Forward and back. Up and over out of the circle. Turn around. Cherkazia. 1, 2, 3. Grapevine left. 1, 2, 3. 2 Davids right. And Open Mayim. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cherkasio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, up and over into the center. 2, 3. Cherkasio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and over out of the circle. Cherkasio. 1, 2, 3. Grapevine left, crossover. 1, 2, 3. David's right. 1 and 2. Open Mayim. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. 1, 2, 3. And Cherkasio. 1, 2, 3, 4.
In a place where my glory will heal you and give you rest, the footstool of my throne, where you shall never be removed again. Aliyah, Aliyah is the holy ascension of the daughters of Zion to their home. Aliyah, every man from every nation will be running to the rock of your salvation. On the highway of holiness, you will fly along the clouds like the doves to their nest. Islands prepare your ships as the Lord roars like a lion. They will flee from the west. Says the Lord, I will carry you.
Real, la harakia me ahim la ribo hakochabim.